The first one I would like to introduce is Nepenthes Amy. If you look closely, you can see hairs. I like this feeling of wildness. The pitcher is healthy and a new pitcher is growing. Nepenthes Amy has a unique pitcher bag shape. First of all, the bottom pitcher seems to be indistinguishable from Nepenthes maxima. The most characteristic pitcher of Nepenthes Amy is a pitcher shaped like a champagne glass. I have only seen this pitcher in photos. To see this pitcher like a champagne glass, you have to let the branches grow 1.5 to 2 meters long. I would love to see it. Now, let's repot the plant. First, remove the plant from the flower pot. Wash off the old soil with water. Use a tall flower pot. The soil to be used is a mixture of small perlite and small Canuma soil. Mix in a ratio of 44. Put the mixture into the flower pot. After filling the pot with a certain amount of soil, decide the direction in which Nepenthes Amy will be planted. Once the position is determined, fill in the gaps with soil. Tap the flower pot lightly to flatten the soil. I'm concerned about the new pitcher hitting the flower pot. I was curious about the orientation of the new pitcher, so I turned it slightly. Finally, water from the top, and when the water coming out of the bottom is clear, it is done. I will make a video of the growth of Nepenthes Amy in the future. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel to be notified. Next, I would like to introduce the following carnivorous plants. Nepenthes loei. I have been wanting to get this plant for a long time. I bought it this time because I wanted to see its unique pitcher. The seedlings are still very small. I want to grow it well and see that unique pitcher. Now, let's repot it. First, remove the seedlings from the flower pot. Wash off the old soil with water. It is now clean. Use a tall flower pot. The soil to be used is a mixture of small perlite and small Canuma soil. Mix in a ratio of 44. Put the mixture into the flower pot. After filling the pot with a certain amount of soil, decide the direction in which Nepenthes loei will be planted. Once the position is determined, fill in the gaps with soil. Tap the flower pot lightly to flatten the soil. There is still a gap in the pot, so fill it with soil. Finally, water the plant from the top, and when the water coming out from the bottom is clear, the plant is finished. I will introduce how to manage Nepenthes loei when it grows well. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any notifications. For more Nepenthes videos, please click here. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.